Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xanthe Naomi if you're new, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my full wash day and styling routine. So the first thing I do before washing my hair is to put a protein treatment on my hair. I make this treatment myself and it includes 2 eggs, 2 scoops of mayo, and 3 spoonfuls of oil, and I usually use vegetable oil. And then after I add all the ingredients, I just go ahead and mix it all together. And this is how it looks after it's all mixed together, and it should be like a watery consistency. Okay, so my hair is looking extremely rough, and I don't think I haven't washed it for about 3 going on 4 weeks, and it was getting so itchy, so this whole treatment and wash day was very much needed. So for the treatment part of wash day, I first section my hair off and comb through it just to make sure there aren't any tangles or knots. And then I apply some of the treatment to my sectioned hair and go through it with my fingers to ensure the treatment is getting on all parts of my hair. Here I'm just showing you all the product that was coming off of my hair, and that should really tell you how much I needed wash day. And for anyone who's new to my channel, for me and my personal preference, I only wash my hair about every 3 to 4 weeks whenever I wash my natural hair, just because for my hair, when I do too much or wash it so often, I'm stripping my hair of its natural oils and it isn't good for my hair. So to ensure that that doesn't happen, I only wash my hair every 3 to 4 weeks. However, when I have on my wigs, I only wash my hair about once every month or once every month and a half. And I know for some people that may be extremely gross, but it's just what works for my hair. I also forgot to mention that I do put some of the treatment on my roots, not too much, but a little bit would be good. So this is what my hair is looking like after about 30 seconds with the treatment on, and it is really bringing my curls back to life. Next, I'm going to section it and twist it, and then go ahead and move on to the next section of my hair. So I don't remember when I started using this treatment. I think it was maybe in high school, but that was before I knew that it was actual treatment. I had originally just looked up natural ingredients that would promote hair growth and health, and I found an article saying eggs and mayo was a good combination, and so I tried it and I have never gone back. And it's funny because when my mom saw me doing this, she told me that she would do it as a child and it would help her hair grow fast and be healthy, and I thought that it was crazy that I never knew that about her, but I was doing it to my hair as well. But I absolutely love this treatment and I use it every wash day. It always leaves my hair feeling moisturized and healthy, and it's always left so shiny. So I would definitely recommend this treatment. Okay, so I had some extra product and I just took that and placed it on my edges and on the rest of my hair, and then I'm just going to put my hair in like a little pin up, and then I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes and then I'm going to see you guys in the shower. So this is what my hair is looking like, and I think I left it in for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. I just did a bunch of things around the house and it was kind of dry when I got in the shower, but this is how it's looking, and I just know it's going to be a great wash day. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash that out with kind of cold water. You don't want to use extremely hot water because you don't want the egg to cook while it's in your hair. I also have a video on my channel about how I wash my hair, and I'll leave that in the cards if you want to see that video as well. Okay, so my hair is all nice and clean, and I'm just gonna shake it out so you guys can see what I'm working with. So I was going back and forth with myself about which hairstyle I wanted to do, and I just ended up going with a half up, half down twist out because I hadn't done it in over a year and I kind of missed it. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and section off the half up part of my hair. Next, I'm going to go ahead and comb through it again just to make sure that there are no knots or that it is entangled, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist it and pin it up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off for the twist out part. And I like my twists to be medium sized, not too big and not too small. They just last longer for me, and I'm doing this voiceover 5 days later and my hair is still looking good and defined. And what I love about this hairstyle is you only need 2 products. Yes, just 2. The first is the Eco Styler Gel and the second is some hair grease or oil, and that's it. It's an extremely simple hairstyle and I love that about it. So I can't explain to you how to twist, but I'm just doing 2-strand twist for my hair in sections. I also forgot to mention, once you're at the end of each twist, you kind of want to like wrap your finger around the ends and just twirl it. I'll show you guys in a second, just continue to watch the video, but you just want to do that to ensure that the twists are secure and that they don't untwine. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this, so sit back and enjoy my twisting. Okay, so this is how it's looking after I'm all done twisting all the strands, and I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this on for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. So it is the next day, and this is how it's looking. FYI, I don't tie my hair down before going to bed. I know I should, but I just always forget. So I slept just like this, and then I woke up with my hair looking exactly like how you guys just saw it. And so now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the front of my hair by brushing it up and doing my edges. And if I'm being completely honest, guys, you can just leave it just like this, do your edges, put it up and let it be neat, and leave the twist in. I would usually do that, but I had a presentation the next day, so I just decided to take the twist out. So here's where the second product comes in, like I was saying before. I'm just going to take some grease and rub it on my fingers and then start to unravel the twist. That way my hair has some added shine to it. Okay, and this is how my hair is looking after I unravel all the twists. You can definitely leave it like this, but I like to add some volume to my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and separate all of the strands a bit more, and I'll show you guys what it's looking like after. Also, when you're separating it, you don't want to be too harsh. You just want to separate it and then like kind of twist the ends so it isn't like faggy at the end, for a lack of a better word. And yeah, just be really gentle. Don't force it if it doesn't want to happen. Just do it nice and simple. Don't apply too much pressure is what I'm trying to say. And then after I do all that, I'm just going to take my big comb and like kind of fluff it out a bit just to add some more volume to it. You don't want to comb it out, you just like raking it through just a bit, but not completely. If I'm not making sense, just watch what I'm doing and follow that. And this is the final look, guys. I absolutely love doing twist outs. It's always fun and I love the result. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it or learned something or like how the hairstyle came out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're not. I'll see you guys in the next video.